Good morning, it's Friday the 19th of August and this is your Daily Outlook. The US dollar advanced yesterday against its major counterparts as risk appetite in the market plummeted and world equities turned negative. Disappointing US data spurred growing concerns about the global economic growth, sending gold prices to a fresh record high. The US manufacturing index and existing home sales statistics surprised the markets by showing significantly lower than expected figures. In addition, the consumer price index gained 0.5% in July, higher than the 0.2% expected. The US economy faces the risk of falling back into recession, battling with slow growth, high inflation and rising debt levels. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar rallied to 76.96 from 76.44, but later it surrendered its gains to trade at 76.45. The euro edged lower against a basket of currencies on heightened concerns that the eurozone debt crisis could spread throughout the whole financial system. Investors fear that the European banks will face funding problems as uncertainty about the stability of the banking system reduces the ability of the banks to borrow. Against the greenback, the euro dipped to 142.71 from 144.51. Versus the Swiss franc, the single currency dipped to 112.40 from 115.15. The Australian dollar shed 2.3% against the greenback, falling to 103.15 from 105.55. Investors' appetite for the high-yielding currency is curbed by the losses in the stock market and fears for a slowing global economy. Further weighing on the Aussie is speculation that the Reserve Bank of Australia may need to cut interest rates. Oil prices shed 8.2%, falling to $80.29 a barrel from $87.46. Gold edged higher to a fresh record high at $1,853.55 an ounce from $1,785.81. Silver also ticked higher to $41.15 an ounce from $40.03. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The Euro-US dollar pivot point is 143.50 with a preference to sell short at 143.40. US dollar yen, the pivot point is 77 with a preference to sell short at 76.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point 104.50 with a preference to sell short at 104.50. The pound dollar pivot point 165.40 with a preference to sell short at 165.30. The dollar CAD pivot point is 0.9850 with a preference to buy long at 0.9850. Let's take a look at commodities now. The oil pivot point is 82.05 with a preference to sell short at 82.05. Gold, the pivot point is 1,815 with a preference to buy long at 1,815. And for silver, the pivot point is 40.35 with a preference to buy long at 40.35. And today's calendar and market movers are: UK public sector net borrowing in July is forecast to fall to 0.5 billion. Canada Consumer Price Index in July is forecast to gain 0.2%. Now onto equity markets. US equities were negative on Thursday with the S&P 500 trading down 4.46%. And the Dow Jones down 3.68%. The European bourses were also negative with the FTSE trading down 4.49%, the DAX down 5.82% and the CAC down 5.48%. The Nikkei and the Hang Seng at the time of recording are trading down 2.1% and 2.38% respectively. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Amanda from the Easy Foreign Dealing Room. Have a great weekend. And today's calendar and market movers are: UK public sector net borrowing in July is forecast to fall to 0.5 billion. Canada Consumer Price Index in July is forecast to gain 0.2%. Now onto equity markets. US equities were negative on Thursday with the S&P 500 trading down 4.46% and the Dow Jones down 3.68%. The European bourses were also negative, with the FTSE trading down 4.49% and the DAX down 5.82% and the CAC down 5.48%. The Nikkei and the Hang Seng at the time of recording are trading down 2.1% and 2.38% respectively. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Amanda from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.